He dirtied my dress. You dirtied my dress. You little. You. We are waiting for the tour, Grand Canyon, and this big dog is came saying hello. Yes. And he wanted to play. He wanted my hat. He's pretty chubby though. I found out that he hangs out here at this hotel next to us. So he's fed there. Here you can push the buttons, you see this? And they are like all over the town and the taxi comes. It was pretty comfortable. And we are waiting for the van. Always want to stick my stick out like this. This is the Green River Canyon boat tour. What views! Amazing views. Green River. Wow, so many people on boats. Let's see how ours fills up. Oh, going around.
Excuse me. Buraya oturmak yasak. You don't forget, you don't sitting here. It's forbidden. Please, can you go back?
This is where the Grand Canyon begins, and it's about 7 kilometers long. And we'll be making stops on the way to swim and supposedly to fish, which of course I'm not fishing. stop at the lake. I have no idea what the temperature is. It's okay actually. And whoever doesn't want to swim, they can fish. But I'm not swimming. But I'm not fishing, of course. The water is okay. What is it? But it's not as warm as in the sea. It's a bit colder than in the sea, but it's okay. Actually, today is not so hot even. It's cloudy. Okay. That's it. You can stop now. It's hard to swim with one arm. Gets tired. There's just a view behind me. Actually, the water is not bad once you're in it. Submerged, it's very deep, so you have to know how to swim and maintain yourself. Okay, I'm gonna submerge it now, first time this year. It went in. Here you can see the people. Matthias is there. He says he's a bit coldish. When the first signs arrive, you can't give in to it. You have to grab it and be strong and high frequency and not let it in. It works for me. Many times I feel like it's coming and then I decide no. I have nothing to gain from this experience, so no thank you, and it leaves me. Once it develops, it's difficult just with your mind. Oh, Mom, I'm swimming just with my one leg. Sorry, one arm. Getting a bit tired. Moving my arm, holding the camera. So I'm going to rest a little on the shore. And that's it. This is no stop for lunch. Stop for lunch. We're going to have lunch. Yeah, there's another line. There are two lanes. I got a fish. You can choose chicken, fish, or meatballs. So I got this fish, and the salad bar is like a buffet style. Oh yes, this is just like speechless view, of course.